In this video, we're going to simplify powers of I. It says simplify I to the 73rd. Now, if you look at the complex numbers, I gives you root of -1. I is root of -1. I squared is -1 when you take root of -1 times root of -1. We do I cubed, so 3 of these being multiplied, you get -I. I to the 4th is 4 of these being multiplied, which would be 1. And then obviously if you take 1 and you multiply times a 5th one, so I to the 5th, you repeat the pattern. So to simplify I to the 73rd, we're going to focus on, basically there are 4 different versions of I being multiplied by itself. Right? We have I squared, I cubed, and I to the 4th. So there's 4 of them. So we want to figure out a value for the exponent that is divisible by 4. So I'm going to write I to the 73rd as I to the 72nd times I, because I know 72 is divisible by 4. Okay, so if I take 72 and I divide it by 4, that gives me 18. So I can rewrite this as I to the 4th to the 18th power times I. So I hope you can see where we're going with this. We're taking this exponent and we're just splitting it up into a version of this set of complex numbers, right? We're either going to end up with an I squared, I cubed, or I to the 4th inside here. And we're going to do that by trying to basically find numbers that are divisible by 4. So I to the 4th then would be 1, right? We see that there, I to the 4th is 1. So we have 1 to the 18th power. Well, 1 to any power is just itself, so we end up with 1 times I. So we end up with just I. So I to the 73rd is actually equal to I. Let's simplify another one. Now we have I to the 68th. Well, first thing we want to do, because that's in even numbers, we'll see is it divisible by 4? So 68 divided by 4, it is 17. So I can immediately write this as I to the 68th is equal to I to the 4th, right? We're just dividing that by 4, to the 17th power, right? 4 times 17 is still 68. Well, I know I to the 4th is 1, so that I have 1 to the 17th power then. And 1 to the 17th power is just 1. So that means I to the 68th is actually equal to 1. And that's how you simplify powers of I.